Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Horlicks milkshake at home. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of chilled milk, 2 tablespoons of Horlicks powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. For an extra treat, consider adding a scoop of ice cream, some chocolate syrup, or even half a banana. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and quick preparation process for your perfect milkshake. Now, let's get to blending. Carefully pour the 1 cup of chilled milk into your blender jar. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of Horlicks powder and the 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you are using optional ingredients like a scoop of vanilla ice cream or half a banana, add them now. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds until the mixture is perfectly smooth and wonderfully frothy. One of the best parts about making your own milkshake is the ability to customize it. Feel free to adjust the sweetness by adding a little more or less sugar to suit your taste. You can also experiment with different flavors, perhaps a tiny pinch of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract. Once blended to perfection, pour your delightful creation into a tall glass, ready for the final touches. To make your Horlicks milkshake even more appealing, consider some garnishing. A dollop of whipped cream on top, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, adds a lovely finish. You could also drizzle a small amount of chocolate or caramel sauce over the rim of the glass. Serve your refreshing homemade Horlicks milkshake immediately with a straw and savor every single sip. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.